Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change Canva password or how to set Canva password easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just make sure that you're currently logged in onto canva.com. So just search canva.com onto your local browser and log in. So once you're already in here, you should be able to see the settings icon or the gear icon here onto the upper right corner of the screen. Simply click onto that, and then you'll get redirected onto your account settings. So right after your account here onto the left side, you should be able to find in login and security. Simply click onto that, and under login, you should be able to find in password. So this is where you could go ahead and add a password to your account. And there is a link in here to use the password reset page to go ahead and verify your identity. So simply click onto that, and you'll get redirected onto another page to help you reset your password. Now to change this, just go ahead and add in your email. Right after, click on to continue, and onto your email or the email that you have provided, you should be able to receive a code. So just go ahead and wait for that code. And and once you receive that code, just copy that one out and then just go ahead and paste it in here to continue. So right after they will receive the code, you should be able to set already a new password for your account. So just add in your new password in here, and you need to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And then right after, you'll just need to confirm the password again and set the password. And that is just basically it, how you change your Canva password. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.